Welcome to ZIA TV, covering small cap stocks and emerging companies. VCapital is a highly respected Chicago venture capital firm. Over the last 30 years, they've invested in 4 unicorns and dozens of early stage plays with high returns. Joining me now is their Vice President of Investments, Ryan Kole, to talk a little bit about their next moves. Let's start at the beginning, though. Let's outline your investment thesis for the viewers.
Sure. We are Series A focus, sector agnostic. We do have a preference for Midwest companies. We also, one of the most important criteria is the management team. We're looking for someone who's been there and done it before.
So then, how do you evaluate early stage biotech or medtech companies, especially if they're not going to go public for several years?
Sure. One of the first things you look at, one of my mentors taught me to, is look at data. We want to see proof that what their solution is actually solving a problem, and that we need to see data for. However, back to your question, as far as the medical device is concerned, there's several challenges. One, it has to get FDA approval. And even after that, they have to get market adoption, which is a challenge. As far as the therapeutic is concerned, not only have to get through the FDA milestones and hurdles, phase 1, 2, and 3, and so forth, but it takes a long time, lots of money. That being said, several companies we're working with, once they get past phase 2, they'll be in a great position to be acquired by a company. And the exit potential for a therapeutic could be much greater, in the several hundreds of million dollars to billions of dollars, whereas a medical device tends to be in the $50 to $100 million range.
I'm told that your model is unique compared to others in the venture capital space. How so?
Sure. We allow accredited investors to pick and choose which investments they want to co-invest in. Other VC models have a fund where you have to put in a minimum of $500,000 or $1 million into that fund. Then you're subjected to every single investment they do. The VCapital model allows our investors to pick and choose which deals they do. They could do some, none, or all of those deals for that matter, plus with a much lower minimum investment of $25,000.
Can you talk with me at this point about how many investments you're planning on doing going forward?
Sure. Our goal is to do 1 to 2 deals per quarter, but in no means are we going to sacrifice quality for quantity. So if there happens to be a quarter where we can't find a deal, we won't do a deal that quarter.